This is a crazy stat. Shiba Inu and Pepe have now dropped about two-thirds of their recent value highs. But history does show that meme coins love a big comeback, and that's what we're always going to find. Now, with 300% breakout possibly on the horizon, all of us investors are wondering, is now the time to buy? Now, meanwhile, we've got tokens like Bonk that's also struggling, and it's down about 41% in just 2 weeks. And that is weakening investor confidence when it does come to the genericness of meme coins. But Shiba Inu is right now showing strength, securing that major UAE partnership. And I broke that down in a previous video, so please do not hesitate to watch that. And then we also saw a 500% burn rate spike that ended up removing around 18.7 million from circulation. Now, could SHIB lead the next rally? I want to know what you guys think. So always drop me a comment below and make sure you're subscribed. It takes a while to get these stats, and I want to get you guys ahead of the market. But first, let's look at the charts. Right, let's look at what SHIB is at right now. I know that we had taken some drops recently, but you guys, you want to know what's crazy? Today has been a green day. We're up roughly 5.7% on SHIB. The only negative is we're seeing a lot of divergence up here. So if you're a short-term trader, like let's say you're using the BTCC link below to leverage, then you need to be cautious right now just because we are seeing a lot of bearish divergence. And we're also kind of seeing that on BTC on some of the higher time frames. The good news is, though, we have solidified above 100K, which Intel brought liquidity into SHIB and many of the other tokens. Now, 5% isn't that great, but what is great is that we're consolidating above the 1-2 number that we see here, which means that we do have potential to hopefully drive right back up the price. And that's what we need in the meme coin world. As we know right now, Shiba has kind of been on a steep downtrend, right? Now, this shedded about 70% of its value since December, but recent technical signals indicate that a strong support zone is forming, and we can see that from what we just looked at in the chart. Now, the 100 SMA on the weekly chart has emerged right now as a key level, and what's awesome about that is it's the exact same position point that we have our big resistance drop, well, big support drop right here. And we can see that as a big point because Shiba has touched it a lot of times already. And with that 0.12, not 0.00012 number, besides it just being a key level, it's also a key psychological level, right? And it used to be a previous resistance, which is now just a big solid support. You guys, this is a crucial shift for that line. And it does suggest that right now bulls are stepping in to hopefully defend this price range. Okay. Potentially, this could set us up for a major reversal, especially if the regular BTC market itself moves another 10 to 20%. And if the US really does inject 100 bill of liquidity into this, it's going to change the game, right? It's going to open some new highs. And that's what we're looking for now. Historically, when SHIB has tested that strong support level of 0.00012, it did often lead to a sharp rebound. And we just saw that a couple of days ago, proving that narrative. Now, this does make it an extremely critical area to watch if you're a buyer to look into the next buy before the move up. Another thing, you can set alerts. You can set alerts on there, especially if you got the premium. It will make it a little bit easier on you. So as of right now, SHIB is trading at the 0.0001491, which is up about 5% from the last little drop. Now, this may does seem like a small move, but it is an important indication that buyers are showing interest on these levels, and a larger breakout could be on the horizon if the momentum continues to build. Now, adding on to this bullish narrative, see, but Inu's burn rate did skyrocket by 500%. Now, they permanently removed about 18.7 million tokens from circulation, and this is significant right now because reducing the supply like this consistently with a token that has such a large amount of circulating supply is awesome way to create unique pressure on the price over time. It's not an immediate thing. It does take time to build. Now, a shrinking supply combined with a strong demand from retail and institutional investors historically fueled massive rallies in meme coins like SHIB, Doge, and Pepe. Now, some key levels for us to watch. We want to be looking at that support, the 0.00012 number. This level has held firm and is very, very critical to find some more bounces off of. Second, we're going to be looking for a breakout zone, and that's a bullish reversal on hopefully the daily chart, and that could kickstart another major big uptrend. Okay. Now, there are some catalysts that could occur. One, institutional interest is growing. Now, big money is paying attention to meme coins thanks to Mr. Trump. Bitwise recently just filed for a Dogecoin ETF. Now, this does signal to us that institutional investors are starting to take these meme coins seriously, right? And if this ETF gets approved, it could lead to a massive influx of capital into a meme-based asset, much kind of like the spot BTC ETF fueled by the BTC rally in early 2024. This institutional validation for us could actually spill over to SHIB and other meme coins like Pepe. And then, as traders and investors, all of us are looking for the next meme coins to surge. Now, another big catalyst that we could see is the meme coin market cycles repeat. We see that it's a cycle that happens every time and time again, right? Meme coins go through a boom and a bust, and they're always bigger. So their booms are huge, their busts are big. And that's just how it works. Now, they stay quiet for months before exploding in price. And we've seen that happen with a lot of tokens. Now, when momentum shifts, these coins tend to move very, very quickly, and they deliver a parabolic gain in a matter of days, sometimes just hours. And as market fears start to subside, historical trends do suggest that meme coins could be the next in line for a giant breakout, especially when liquidity goes from BTC to altcoins to then meme coins. And I believe that what's going to lead the run this time is going to be SHIB and Pepe again. So whether you're holding or accumulating, or you're just waiting for your perfect entry, it is the time to fine tune your game plan. If SHIB does continue to hold under these critical support levels, combined with a bigger increase in burn rate and hopefully growing institutional interest, the next leg up could actually be massive. The question is, are you going to be ready when that happens? You guys, we've seen this before. Meme coins take a beating and then come roaring back with insane gains. The question is, how soon will history repeat itself? Drop a comment below. Let me know if you're bearish or bullish and what you think on SHIB, Pepe, or even Bonk. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't miss the next big crypto moves and news in this cycle, especially as we keep finding stats. Now, if you need help tracking your portfolio and being prepared to file for taxes, check out our link below. It's called Blockchain Management. It's going to be your go-to tool for serious and just average traders, specifically in DeFi. We're running out of space, so make sure you book soon because tax season's coming up very, very soon. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, always stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.